This airport is so huge.
I know.
भाई क्या क्या है? ये तो Terminal 1 और 3 है, 2 अलग जगह है. But this is where the jewel is. That's where we're gonna go first.
Yeah.
Welcome to the ultimate guide to Singapore's Changi Airport, where layovers turn into mini vacations. Imagine an airport so packed with entertainment, relaxation spots, and attractions that you might actually forget you're waiting for a flight. Today, I will share with you what is the best way to experience this airport. Fasten your seatbelts.
We just traveled to the Singapore MRT. Like you can literally take your entire luggage right to the airport. I have to change a couple of stations in between because there are several lines. This comes on the east-west green line. But the whole experience is so easy, so convenient. Man, they've made it really well. Don't take the taxi. Even if you have big bags, as long as they have rollers, take the MRT. It's very simple, very easy, very convenient and really cheap. So now we're heading to Jewel.
First thing first, all the coolest stuff happens in the Jewel. This massive glass dome complex connected to all the terminals.
It smells so nice.
Smells really nice.
Wow.
Smells like a 5-star hotel.
Here's the catch though. You need to clear immigration and actually enter Singapore to visit Jewel.
There's so many shops out here. It's like made like a mall
Yeah.
with a lot of amusement park sort of things.
The first stop is the Changi Lounge.
Hi. We have a reservation.
Rashmi Joshi and Anant Upadhyay.
Okay.
Yeah. Wanna take a shower?
If someone gives me a shower,
I'll give you a shower.
no.
So who else will give you a
I
shower?
mean, like a massage, like a Turkish bath.
Well, Rashmi didn't get her massage, but we did get our complimentary beers. And I'm not complaining. This lounge also comes with a sleeping pod and showers, which we will use later.
Alright guys, so now we're heading to explore the Changi airport. Actually,
Jewel.
it's just the Jewel part
हाँ,
of
the
it.
jewel part of it. पूरा Changi explore करने के लिए हमें 10 दिन रुकना पड़ेगा.
10 flights to Singapore.
नहीं, यहाँ पे हमें layover of 10 days.
There's this service here where you can store your baggages and I just did that.
At the heart of Jewel is the Rain Vortex, aka the world's tallest indoor waterfall at a jaw-dropping height of 40 meters.
You know, these guys are very good with indoor waterfalls.
Yeah.
Because I like this, I also like cloud forest.
Look, there's a train coming.
During the day, it's incredible, but by night, it turns into a free light and sound show.
Bye, girl.
Bye.
And it's honestly mesmerizing.
Dude, what an experience this airport is. Too much.
I mean, I like the fact that it's like futuristic nature.
Yeah.
मतलब, you know, हम शायद ऐसे enclosed चीज़ों में रहेंगे in the future with trees and waterfalls because it'd be too hard to have this weather outside.
Wow.
So I feel like this is a little glimpse in that.
Oh, there's a wayfinding stick. Thank you.
What does this mean?
You'll be in a mirror maze, right? So what if you hit your head?
So ऐसे चलना है?
हाँ, so you have to do this.
Okay. Oh shit. You just don't come to know.
you don't come to Yeah?
Mirror Maze was a lot of fun. After a while, we kind of stopped looking for a way out until we were swarmed by these.
Yeah, we came from here, no? Now this.
Where do we go?
This way.
We're at the top level of Jewel, where you'll find most of the attractions.
That was fun.
Guys, having so much fun doing such stupid stuff out here.
For 54 Singaporean dollars per person, we got the Bundle 2 package, which gave us access to everything.
Okay, so this is a hedge maze. Oh, there are such nice flowers.
Oh.
Hey, what the hell? Whoa. Oh my god. So guys, this is the MasterCard Canopy Bridge.
Yeah.
Really good view of the Jewel. We're just waiting for the train to pass.
Yes.
Rashmi's bouncing dreams coming true. कितने टाइम से रोती थी कि सिर्फ बच्चों के लिए क्यों होता है? I feel like Jack Sparrow.
My God, love this. My God, so tiring.
It is jumping is the most tiring form of exercise.
यहाँ कैसे जाते हैं? ओ एग्जिट है यहाँ से?
Bouncing net just killed us. Our legs were trembling by the end of it, but we wanted to check the next attraction.
This is like a workout.
My God.
This is the walking net.
एग्जिट वहाँ से? तब चलना ही पड़ेगा.
Come on, Rashmi.
You can actually walk all over the Jewel. You will see people shopping, catching escalators, and getting coffee right below you.
Oh my God.
This is a bit scary. If you have kids or have a bit of a kid in you, Canopy Park is definitely worth a visit. Now, I had heard a lot about the Changi Experience Studio, which is on level 4. It has 20 interactive points and 10 content zones that bring the airport's history to life. It has fun games like the Smile Challenge, racing Boeings with the Porsche, and you can also have a musical experience here. But honestly, this can be missed. I don't think it was worth 25 Singaporean dollars per person. Hope you enjoyed this episode on Jewel. Stay tuned for our next vlog from Singapore.